Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session of multiple choice questions of social science. I am your teacher Kavita here to present and as well as to discussions about MCQs of sociology. In a previous video, we have discussed about so many multiple choice questions on business studies. I hope everyone watched in a previous video. Today I am come back with another most important concept from the social science, that is sociology. In today's session we are going to discuss multiple choice questions on these four lessons. Those are social stratification, labor, social movements, and one more lesson, social problems. So let's start our session. Before start my session, every time I used to tell, please take a paper and note and try to write a correct answer, because it will come to know for you all for how many questions you people able to write answers. So that my intention here, before I am saying correct answer, just you people write correct answer, try to write a correct answer. So don't time waste here. Let's start our session. The first question from the first lesson from the sociology, that is social stratification. The first question here, the point is to bring equal opportunities for early and justice in human life. The point is to bring equal opportunities for the early and justice in human life. Option A, caste. Option B, religion. Option C, education. Option D, language. The right answer here, option C is the right answer, education. So education is only one thing, the solution for all the human life, all the problems here. Next question. The article of our constitution, to providing social justice and people welfare of the people is the duty of the state government. Dash article. Again once I am repeating the question here. The article of our constitution to providing social justice and people welfare of the people is the duty of the government. It is the duty of the state government. The dash article. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 39, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 50, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 59, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 40. The correct answer, option A is the right answer, article 39. So social and welfare of the people, it's described in article 39. So article 39 is the correct answer. Next question here. The amendment to our constitution states, this amendment to our constitution states that the right to free and compulsory education for all the children between the ages of 6 to 14 years is a fundamental right. This amendment to our constitution states that the rights to free and compulsory education for all the children between the age of 6 to 14 years is a fundamental right. 6 to 14 years, it is called the free and compulsory education. In which amendment it is? That option A, 76th amendment, option B, 86th amendment, option C, 78th amendment, option D, 42nd amendment. The correct answer here, 86th amendment. So the 86th amendment here described here free and compulsory education between 6 to 14 years children. So that is free and compulsory education. Next question. The article of our constitution says free and compulsory education for all children between 6 to 14 years is a fundamental right of the children. Listen carefully. The article of our constitution says free and compulsory education to all the children between 6 to 14 years is a fundamental right of the children. In which article? ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So option A article 18, option B article 20, option C article 21, option D article 22. The correct answer here article 21. So article 21 says free and compulsory education for whom? For 6 to 14 years. Next question. The article of our constitution says all children under 14 years should be provided with a free and compulsory education. So once I am repeating here, the article of our constitution says all children under 14 years should be provided with a free and compulsory education. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ 14 ಇಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 40, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 42, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 43, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 45. The correct answer here article option D is the right answer, article 45. So article 45 says here free and compulsory education to all the children that should be provided with under 14 years. ಅಂದರೆ 14 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 45. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 45 it says all children under 14 years should be provided free and compulsory education. Next, the article of our constitution says the right to speak and right to express one's own opinion is the fundamental right. The article of our constitution says that right to speak, one right to express one's own opinion is the fundamental right. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 18, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 19, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 20, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 22. The right answer article 19. So article 19 says to express, to speak and to express our opinion, that is article 19. And next question, here from the social stratification you will get lot of articles. Next, the article of our constitution provides for the protection of minority rights. The article of our constitution provides for the protection of minority rights. First of all, let us know here which are the religions are under minorities. So except Hindu, here Christian, Islam, Sikh, Zainism and Buddhism, these are the considered minority categories. So here the article of our constitution provides for the protection of minority rights. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಾರಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 30, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 31, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 29, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 27. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ is the right answer, article 29. So article 29 says here to provide for the protection of minorities, the article 29. Next question, the article of our constitution provides for the establishment of minority educational institution. The article of our constitution provides for the establishment of minority educational institution. ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೈನಾರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 28, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 30, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 31, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 32. The right answer article 30. So 29 says here to protection for the minorities, and article 30 says here to establishment of minorities education institution. Next question. The article of our constitution clearly express that it is the duty of the government to support educational interest of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Once I am repeating the question here. The article of our constitution clearly express that it is the duty of the government to support the educational interest of SC and ST, means scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. So scheduled caste ಮತ್ತು scheduled tribe ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 40, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 41, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 42, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 46. The right answer article 46. So article 46 says here to provide, it's a duty of the government to provide, to create educational interest for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. It means SC and ST here. Next question. Education is a public property set by. Education is a public property set by. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಬಾ ಫುಲೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ MK ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BR ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್. Right answer here option D is the right answer. Dr. BR Ambedkar said education is a public property. Next, the 4 Varna system based on this theory. The 4 Varna system based on this theory. 4 ವರ್ಣಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. Which are those? Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. These 4 Varna system based on this theory. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಇರೋದು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಕರ್ಮ ಥಿಯರಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಣ ಥಿಯರಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಕರ್ಮ ಥಿಯರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Untouchability is a heinous expression of a caste system set by. Untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system set by. ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯತೆ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಹಾಘೋರ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದವರು ಯಾರು, ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಯಾರು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ BR ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಬಾ ಫುಲೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ MK ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ MK ಗಾಂಧಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ MK ಗಾಂಧಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the article of our constitution prohibits untouchability. The article of our constitution prohibits untouchability. Option A article 14, option B article 17, option C article 16, option D article 18 is the right answer. Option B is the right answer, article 17. The article of constitution prohibits untouchability under article 17. Next question. The year in which the Untouchability Offence Act was enacted. The year in which the Untouchability Offence Act was enacted. Option A 1955, option B 1956, option C 1957, option D 1958 is the right answer here. Option A is the right answer. In the year 1955, Untouchability Offence Act was enacted. Next, the Untouchability Offence Act was changed in 1976 as. The Untouchability Offence Act was changed in 1976 as. Option A Tribal Protection Act, option B Civil Equal Rights, option C Civil Rights Protection Act, option D Untouchability Prohibition Act. is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Civil Rights Protection Act. Next, the article of the Constitution declared education a fundamental right. The article of the Constitution declared education a fundamental right. Option A, Article 21. Option B, Article 17. Option C, Article 45. Option D, Article 30 is the right answer. Article 21 says education fundamental right. It's a fundamental right. Next, the 1989 Act has given some specific responsibilities in the eradication of untouchability for. The 1989, the Act has given some specific responsibility in the eradication of untouchabilities for. ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯತೆ ಒಂದು ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾತೋ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಎರಾಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಅನ್ಟಚಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. Option D is the right answer, state government. Each state government has taken responsibility to eradication of untouchability in India. Next question. An analysis of why a group of people stayed outside the village, whether they came from outside or were pushed outside, provides an answer to the birth and the practice of untouchability said by. This is one of the biggest statement from this lesson. An analysis of why a group of people stayed outside the village. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ಸಮುದಾಯದವರನ್ನು ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ದೂರ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಅವರು ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೋದಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ದ ಬರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ಟಚಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಬೈ. Option A, M.K. Gandhi. Option B, Motilal Nehru. Option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Jyotiba Phule. The right answer, option C is the right answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said here about untouchability. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ MCQs on a social stratification. And the next to move on here, whichever I am saying right now, these questions are belongs to second lesson, that is labor. First question from Unit 2, author of the Republic. Author of the Republic. Option A, Plato. Option B, Aristotle. Option C, Karl Marx. Option D, Socrates. The right answer, option A, Plato. Next, division of labor creates less skilled workers said by. The division of a labor creates less skilled workers said by. Option A, Plato. Option B, Karl Marx. Option C, Aristotle. Option D, Auguste Comte. The right answer, option B is the right answer, Karl Marx. Next, having deep knowledge and in-depth skill in one particular field. Having deeper knowledge and in-depth skill in one particular field. Option A, talent. Option B, interest. Option C, ability. Option D, specialization. If anybody person has own skill or own knowledge, for them we are calling here option D is the right answer, specialization. Next, example for organized labors. Example for organized labors. Option A, agriculturist. Option B, building workers. Option C, police. Option D, auto drivers. Option C is the right answer, police, because police is considered organized sector, in the sense government sector. Next, example for unorganized labors, which are their options. Option A, teacher. Option B, cart seller. Option C, doctors. Option D, bank employee. Unorganized in the sense private, owned. So option B is the right answer, cart seller. Next question. He has a fixed salary, allowance in leave and receive facility, etc. He has a fixed salary, and facilities, leave and received some facility etc. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಲಿರೋರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. So government teachers, those who are working under government here, especially government employee, not only teacher here, government employee has a fixed salary, some special facilities and leave here. So that option C is the right answer, teachers. Next, the book which studies the labor of people working in unorganized sector. The book which studies the labor of people working in unorganized sector. Option A politics, option B food losers, option C the republic, option D das capital. The right answer option B food losers. Next, rural development report 2014 and 15 shows the proportion of women working in the unorganized sector. Option A 47%, option B 57%, option C 67%, option D 77%. Option D is the right answer, 77%. Next, the proportion of workers in the unorganized sector among workers still working in India today. Option A 90%, option B 80%, option C 70%, option D 60%. The right answer 90%. It means unorganized sector. Next, minimum wages act came into force. ಸಮಾನ ಕೂಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 1951, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 1961, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 1971, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 1981. The right answer option C is the right answer, 1971. In the year 1971 fixed wages act came into force. And these questions are belongs to labor. And next move on another questions from the social movements, which I am saying right now. These questions are belongs to social movements. First, a group of people who are uncertainly surrounded by an interest without any plan. A group of people who are uncertainly surrounded by an ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಜನರು ಏನೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾರ್ದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ಲಾಗಿ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮಾಬ್ ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಬ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮಾಬ್ ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಬ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಮಾಬ್. Next, violent and destructive behavior of the mob is called. Violent and destructive behavior of the mob is called. Option A political movement, option B social movement, option C mob violence, option D mob. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಶಾಂತಿನ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಮಾಬ್ ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಜಾರ್ಖಂಡ್ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮೋರ್ಚ್ ಈಸ್. Jharkhand Mukti Morch is farmers movement, option B social movement, option C cultural movement, option D environmental movement. So option D is the right answer, environmental movement. Next, Narmada Bachao Andolan led by. Narmada Bachao Andolan led by. Option A Maida Patkar, option B Sundarlal Bahugund, option C Shivram Karant, option D Kusuma Sorba. Option A is the right answer, Maida Patkar. Next, Chipko movement was started in the year. Chipko movement was started in the year. Option A 1970, option B 1972, option C 1973, option D 1974. The right answer option D is the right answer, 1974. In the year 1974 Chipko movement was started. So in the sense here the government had issued to cut down tree. In that village women they hugged the trees ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಕೊಂತ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಒಂದು ಮರಗಳನ್ನ ಕಡಿಯೋದನ್ನು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಚಿಪ್ಕೋ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅಪಿಕೋ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 1981, option B 1982, option C 1983, option D 1984. Option C is the right answer, 1983. So 1983 a PICO movement was started. In the year 1974 Chippico movement was started. Next question. Land reformation laws in Karnataka implemented by. Land reformation laws in Karnataka implemented by. Option A Ramakrishna Hegde, option B D Devraj Aras, option C Kadidar Manjappa, option D Tingal Anmantaya. In 1970s and around 1970s here a act was enacted, that is it belongs to land reformation. Who implemented? That is option B is the right answer, Dr. Devraj Aras. Next. The leader who lost their life in alcohol prohibition movement. The leader who lost their life in alcohol prohibition movement. Option A Meda Patkar, option B Mirabai, option C Kusma Sorba, option D Madam Kama. The right answer option C Kusma Sorba. Next. The farmers revolted against government in 1988. The farmers revolted against government in 1980. Option A Nargund, option B Gadag, option C Rona, option D Mundrugi. Elli agatte. Option A is the right answer, Nargunda. Next. Karnataka State Raita Sangha was established by. Karnataka State Raita Sangha was established by. Option A D.M. Nanjundappa, option B M.D. Nanjundaswamy, option C N.D. Sundaresh, option D K.S. Puttanaya. So right answer here option B is the right answer, M.D. Nanjundaswamy. Next question here. The first labor union established in. The first labor union established in. Option A Paris, option B America, option C Vienna, option D London. The right answer option D London. Next. Self-respect movement led by. Self-respect movement led by. Option A Periyar Ramaswamy, option B Narayana Guru, option C Rajaram Mohan Roy, option D Jyotiba Phule. The right answer option A is the right answer, Periyar Ramaswamy. Next. That is self-respect movement started in Tamil Nadu. Next. Shivram Karanth fought against this nuclear power plant. Shivram Karanth fought against this nuclear power plant. Option A Noror, option B Kalpakam, option C Kaiga, option D Srishailam. The right answer Kaiga. Shivram Karanth fought against the nuclear plant, that is Kaiga. Next. Mookanayaka paper started by. Mookanayaka paper started by. Option A Mahatma Gandhi, option B Annie Besant, option C Jyotiba Phule, option D Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Is the right answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And these questions what we discussed, these questions belongs to social movements. Next move on another lesson, social problems. This is the last lesson from the sociology. First question. The Child Labour Prohibition Act was enacted. The Child Labour Prohibition Act was enacted. Option A 1986, option B 2011, option C 1956, option D 2012. The right answer option A is the right answer in the 1986. The Child Labour Prohibition Act was enacted in the year 1986. Next. The Child Marriage Prohibition Act came into force. The Child Marriage Prohibition Act came into force. Option A 1991, option B 2015, option C 2006, option D 1986. Is the right answer option C is the right answer, 2006. Next question. Act passed in 2012 for protection of children AIDS. Act passed in 2012 for protection of children AIDS. Option A Child Marriage Prohibition Act, option B Dowry Prohibition Act, option C Child Labour Prohibition Act, option D Sexual Offences Protection Act. The right answer option D is the right answer, Sexual Offence Protection Act. Next. The article of the Constitution states that child labour is a crime. The article of the Constitution states that child labor is a crime? Which article is says? Option A, Article 14. Option B, Article 17. Option C, Article 24. Option D, Article 42. The right answer, Article 24. So, Article 24 says here the child labor is a crime. Next, adolescent children age is option A 13 to 15, option B 14 to 17, option C 15 to 18, option D 17 to 20. The right answer, 15 to 18. Next, invisible hunger means option A malnutrition, option B the lack of nutrition, option C rich man's hunger, option D balanced diet is the right answer. The invisible hunger means option B is the right answer, the lack of nutrition. Next, the helpline number to call for child marriage prevention. ಏನೋ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಬೋದು. ಅದ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ 1919, 1098, 1900 and 1909 is the right answer here, 1098. So, 1098 is a helpline for children, whatever it may be or child labor or child marriage. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಆ ಮದುವೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ the proportion of women targeted for violence from their husbands. Option A 80.4 percentage, option B 45.2 percentage, option C 60.9 percentage, option D 79.5 percentage. The right answer 80.4 percentage. Next, the absence of required quantity of food is referred as. The absence of required quantity of food is referred as option A hunger, option B malnutrition, option C invisible hunger, option D lack of nutrition. Is the right answer hunger. Option A is the right answer, hunger. Next, gender based discrimination means. Gender based discrimination means option A gender discrimination, option B family inequality, option C inequality of opportunities, option D inequality of ownership. Is the right answer, option B is the right answer, family inequality. It means partiality anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next question, child rights club are formed in all. Child rights clubs are formed in all. Option A schools, option B ತಾಲೂಕಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್, option C ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್, option D ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದ POCSO is. The objective of the POCSO is option A prevent sexual harassment of children, option B obstructing child labor practicing, option C prohibition of child marriage, option D preventing child trafficking. The right answer, option A is the right answer, prevent sexual harassment of children. So by this question I am going to finish my session right now. I hope so everyone are utilize this video for your examination. In next video I am coming with the last part from the social science, that is economics lesson. And before that, every time I used to tell, focus on the studies, be brave on examination, stay at home, stay safe and don't forget to wear mask. Until then, keep watching the video. In next video, sure I am coming with the economic lessons, MCQs on economics lesson. And thank you and have a nice day.